Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our next salt, that is known as the bleaching powder. It's a very important part of for your salts. Okay. So here again we are starting from the similar way, like introductions, preparation, physical properties, chemical properties, and uses. So first of all, we starting from introductions. The introductions carry a certain subpoints. The first one is industrial name, and the second one is scientific name, and third one is chemical formula. So guys, its industrial name is bleaching powder or a bleach powder. Okay. And the scientific name is calcium oxychloride. So according to its name, calcium oxychloride, here calcium, oxy means oxygen and chloride is Cl2. And the next one is fourth subtopic, subheading is structure. Because with the help of structure we are going to solve its reaction. Its structure is to be like this: CaOCl and Cl. CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride, or calcium monooxy. How many chloride? 2. So dichloride. So its industrial name is bleaching powder. Its scientific name is calcium oxychloride. Chemical formula CaOCl2, and its structure is CaOCl2. Okay. Then we are working on its preparations methods. Generally have one preparation industrial methods, okay, in which we are treating the lime water or calcium hydroxide with chlorine gases. So that reaction is take place in industrial area. In industrial area we are taking so much rotators, and these rotators are connected to each other. We are passing the lime water from above side and we are passing the chlorine gas from downside. When they both come to the contact with each other, they are giving you a white color powder. This is known as the calcium oxychlorides. Okay, so see its preparations method, how the calcium oxychloride is preparing inside industrial area. Okay, so that introduction is complete. The next one is the preparations method of bleaching powder. The second heading is preparation. Preparations, when lime water react with Cl2. So here the lime water is going to react with the Cl2, C, that is CaOH whole twice. This is known as the calcium hydroxide, okay, or we say which water? Lime water is able to react with the chlorine gas, that is the chlorine gas, okay, gaseous form mein hai as chlorine gas. You know that nature of the chlorine gas is acidic. Nature of chlorine is acidic. Why? Because when they dissolve the chlorine inside water, they are giving you HCl. That's why it is acidic. And the nature of the calcium hydroxide is basic. So when acid and base react with each other, they are giving you a water. So water is moving in the form of H2O. Okay. अब क्या बचा? The one chlorine is able to combine with oxygen and one chlorine is able to combine calcium. तो बना क्या आपका CaOCl2, और इसका स्ट्रक्चर मैंने भी आपको दिखाया था. One chlorine is combined with this oxygen and one chlorine is here. So that compound is known as the bleaching powder. Okay, so only one chemical method is here for the preparations of the bleaching powder, and you are getting a large amount of white and yellowish color powder. This is known as the bleach powder. Okay, that is the preparations method of for on the bleaching powder. The next one is physical properties mean its color, its solubility, its smell. These properties are known as its physical properties. So the next one is your physical properties. The next topic is physical property. The physical properties, the first one is its state. State means in which form it is available, liquid, solid, gas. It is yellow white powder. किस फेज में मिलता है आपको? पाउडर फॉर्म में. और पाउडर फॉर्म को साइंटिफिक वर्ड में क्या कहा जाता है? amorphous. Amorphous state, a yellow white color amorphous compound. Okay. Second, smell. Due to the presence of chlorine in bleaching powder, its smell is very pungent. Very pungent smell. Pungent smell. Okay. Third is solubility. Solubility. It is highly soluble in water. ये highly hygroscopic होता है. Hygroscopic means when you open the mouth of the packet of this bleaching powder, they immediately absorb the surrounding moisture and immediately react and giving you a pungent smell. So it is highly soluble in water. Highly soluble in water. Okay guys, so these are the physical properties. State, smell. Smell is also known as a odor. ODOUR. इसको जनरली अभी क्या बोलते हैं? ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. कैसा ऑर्डर्स है? या आप स्मेल भी लिख सकते हैं या आप ऑर्डर भी लिख सकते हैं. And its solubility. These are the physical. The last one is, second last is chemical properties are very important. Okay, lots of reasoning questions arising related to that one. So last one is second last, chemical properties. Chemical properties. See, in case of chemical properties, first reaction with air. Reaction with air. Reaction with air से आपको क्या लगा? Reaction with O2? No. If the bleaching powder is keep in surrounding atmosphere, they only able to absorb carbon dioxide from air because air is a mixture of gases. So they not able to react with oxygen, is only able to absorb the large amount of CO2. And after absorbing the large amount of CO2, they giving you a white color, dark white color substance. Okay, वो क्या है? तो देखिए हम first of all reactions कराते हैं. First of all, अगर chemical properties पढ़ रहे हैं तो हमें यहाँ पे इसका structure CaOCl को लिखना पड़ेगा. That one is bleaching powder. Open करके लिखेंगे तो it's good for you. आप अच्छी तरह समझेंगे. This is a bleaching powder. And here we are taking CO2. कहाँ से ले रहे हैं CO2? From air. Okay. So see guys, यहाँ पे जब इसको एयर में रखेंगे तो कौन सी गैस लिबरेट हो जाएगी? Cl2. They liberating a gas that is known as the CO2. अब बचा क्या? Ca. O इसके साथ जोड़ दीजिए, कितना O हुआ? O2 में 1 जोड़ो 3, तो क्या बना? CaCO3. They giving you a white color substance. This is known as the white powder or white powder, dark white powder. So this is known as the calcium carbonate. Okay. So यहाँ पे अगर आप इसको इस तरह से एयर में रखेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? Calcium carbonate formations होता है. So its first properties is reactions with air. Calcium bleaching powder is a highly unstable compound. When you giving heat, when you just dissolve in water, when you just applying air, they giving you a same gases, that is chlorine gases. Okay, so that's why we need to tightly pack this bleaching powder. If it is open, so they highly reactive towards the air. Okay, and moisture is also. That is the first reactions. The second one is reactions with water. Reaction with water. So see, they giving you similar kind of reactions. When they dissolve in water, they giving you a milky color solution due to the formation of maybe hydroxide. Reactions with H2O. So again we are drawing the same formula CaOCl and Cl. So here you are taking water. Water means H positive and OH negative. इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं आप water को. Okay. So see guys, what happened here? Here generally when they react with water, O is negative. Okay. So calcium is 2 positive. So this H reacted with this O and this OH reacted with this calcium. कौन सी गैस निकलेगी? They giving you same Cl2. Then liberating a gas that is Cl2. अब क्या बचा? CaO के साथ H जुड़ा और ये OH भी जुड़ गया. तो कितने OH हैं यहाँ पे? One OH, another OH. So it giving you a CaOH का whole twice. Its color is milky white color. Its name is calcium hydroxide. Why they form milky white color? Due to the formation of calcium hydroxides. It is a way to conduct the chemical reactions. तो ये तरीका है, इस तरह से आप क्या करेंगे, इसको proceed करेंगे forward directions में. Okay. The next one is reactions with acid. Reactions with acids, कोई भी acids ले लीजिए, HCl, H2SO4, they giving you the same kind of the reactions, but they giving a reactions with HNO3 very less. Why? Because calcium oxychloride is also a very good oxidizing agent, and your nitric acid is also a very good oxidizing agent. So at that time they taking too much time. So here we are conducting the reactions with HCl. Okay, or H2SO4, you take anyone. So suppose here we are taking, okay, your H2SO4. See guys, O negative, calcium positive, H2 negative, H2 positive, SO4 negative. तो ये जो H2 है, यहाँ से ये क्या लिबरेट करेगा? O. So they taking what? H2O. और ये दोनों क्लोरीन फिर से साथ में निकल कर क्या बनाएंगी? They liberating in the form of Cl2. और क्या बचा अब? Ca होता है 2 प्लस, सल्फेट होता है 2 माइनस. So Ca2 plus react with SO4 2 minus, they giving you what? CaSO4. CaSO4 का कोई भी कलर फॉर्म नहीं होता. It is always remain inside the aqueous medium. So here when the bleaching powder is able to react with that one H2SO4, they giving you H2O, Cl2 and CaSO4. ये HCl के साथ भी सेम होगा. ओके, HCl के साथ करके देखते हैं. देखिए क्या क्या फॉर्मेशंस होता है उसमें. Okay, you have done. Okay, then we need to remove this. Then we are conducting the same reactions with the HCl also. So here we are taking CaOCl, Cl. Here we are taking 2 molecule of HCl. Why we need 2 molecule of HCl here? Because here guys 2H react with 1O. यहाँ पे H2 बनाना है, इसलिए 2H की requirements है. So H2 react with O, it giving you a H2O. Same as here 2 chlorine react with each other, they giving you a Cl2 gas. How many chlorine is left? 2. This 2 chlorine is able to react with this 2 positive, 1 negative, 1 negative. So Ca react with 2 chlorine, they giving you a CaCl2. They always remain in aqueous medium. It have no color. So these are the chemical properties of bleaching powder. Okay, that's all. And the last one is uses. Last heading down here, uses of bleaching powder. The bleaching powder is using to kill microorganisms. ये microorganisms को kill करने के लिए लिया जाता है as a water purifier. Okay, helping to purify water. Using as a oxidizing agent in paper or wool industry or fiber industry. fiber industry. Okay, what happened, the lots of papers are colored. Okay, if we want to just recycle this used paper, those who already colored, so we are adding this bleaching powder. So due to by adding the bleaching powder, the bleaching powder have high oxidizing properties. They decolorize this paper, the color of that paper. जो colored paper है उनको उनके color को उड़ाने में ये help करता है. And we are generally using to decolorize of any substance or any wool. अगर कोई भी वूलिंग या फाइबर्स कलर्ड है तो उसको ब्लीचिंग पाउडर में डालने पे उसका कलर क्या हो जाता है, रिमूव हो जाता है. एंड वी आर गेटिंग एंड वी आर एबल टू अगेन रीडाई दिस वूल. जिस कलर भी आपको चाहिए उस कलर पे हम उसको रीडाई कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द फ्यू यूजेस ऑफ द ब्लीचिंग पाउडर्स. Okay, so that's all we have done today. The bleaching powders we have completed now, so you make your notes, and the next lecture we are working on in another sorts. Okay, thank you.